in today's video we'll be playing some Arsenal Winter Part 2. Before we start the video, remember, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bar, and now let's start the video. You're murdering some people with fireworks. Ha 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 ha. Oh my. I can see my enemies. Someone won. Oh my god. Okay. I've got me knife. I killed him. Oh my god. Okay, I'm deploying. On the red team. Oh yeah, hey boy. Look at me. Well, this is cool. Oh my, this is dangerous. Got me special guns, mate. Oh damn. No. Okay, where's this coward? I'm gonna shoot his face. Oh damn, man! Oh no! He stabbed me. Okay, let's see who's boss. What? Do you know what? Where are these cowards? I'm gonna murder them faces. Bro, why do we got pumpkins? What are pumpkins? Where's me gone? Oh, bro, I hate them. Okay, do you know what? It's time for murder some people. I can't handle this. Bro, what the hell is wrong with this dude? Bro, I hate him. Okay, I'm gonna show him now. I'm gonna stab his face. Where are you, little mouse? I'm coming to murder you, blue team person. Where are you? Show yourself. Where are they? They've had to show themselves or else they'll suffer. What the hell? It's him. I'm definitely gonna stab his face. Bro! How can I see him from behind me? Okay, use some pumpkins. Better's a knife, yeah. Where are you? Where's the stupid coward? He's a noob! Look at his noobish skin, mate. He's such a poor noob. Hehe. But I've got Robux. I bet he's jealous of me. Oh my god! Oh, I nearly... What the hell is wrong? Oh my... Oh my god. Oh! Oh yeah. He's making me angry. Yes! Got 5 kills already. Oh no. I've only had 5 kills. How did he get killed? Man, is this... Oh my god, oh no, it's broken. Okay. Yes, that's what he deserves. That's definitely what he deserves. Murder, murder, murder you! Yeah. Let me murder. What the hell? Oh, I'm gonna show them. Right, I was about to kill this dude on the roof. Oh my. Do you know what? I need a better gun than this. Go rubbish gun. You know what? 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 I didn't see this hole, guys. Okay, you know what? I'm showing them. I'm gonna teach them. Who's boss? I've got 2 kills already. Oh damn! I got killed. Oh no! No, that is sad. What? Oh, I'm gonna shoot his face. What? He's got a sniper. Oh my god. Bruh. Lord, I've got a sniper. Ha. Oh damn. Damn. At least I've still got my sniper. Oh. Sniper, Oh, I've only got 4 kills. That is not enough. Oh damn. Why did I get iced? Bruh. At least I've still got my sniper. Oh my god. Off you. Yeah. Oh, I did a headshot. I'm so cool with this. Got 5 kills already. Hacker. He's a hacker, man. Was he just flying? Was he using admin? Was he? Bruh. Okay. I'll show his boss now. Where's this boy? Oh, damn. 8th place. Can't believe I did a headshot. Yeah, I did 5 kills. That was so cool. That ain't bad. Then. Oh my god. What's wrong with my screen? Because I'm going to leave and join again because I can't get the screen out. I'm going to join my friend on the game. Oh shit, who's boss mate? Hi, and we say hi. Okay. Oh my god. Boy. Oh my god. She's sussy buck. She's so sus, she murdered me. No. Bruh. Ooh, yeah. I've got 3 kills. Got 3 kills already. God. I got murdered. Oh. What? Oh, they're cheating me. Do you think they control me inside the water? Huh? Bro. Oh my. Yeah. Oh damn. No. Hey. Whoa. Oh my god. I'm 10th place. Not bad. Standard 14. Step, step, step. Mm, mm, mm. No. No. Right. Scrap. Who was that? Oh. Oh my god. That is such a snake. Damn. Oh no, it's broken. Heh. Got 3 kills. I mean. Oh no. What did he do to me? Do you know what? Oh, stop. Whoa, why am I dancing? What? I'm just getting killed while I'm dancing. Phew. I need to get some help. Yeah, I've got 4 kills. Oh, damn. Yeah. Oh, damn. What? You know what? What is up here? Damn it. Okay. If you want me to do this, I will. Oh, bam, and he stabbed him. Why is it all red? It looks so ugly. Hehehe. That's what he deserves. Haha. Got 6 kills. No. Why? There. I'm coming. Oh. Oh my god. No. Who the hell killed me? What? Stone Man won. I was 8th place. Mamma mia, here we go again. Oh no, it's broken. Oh no. Hey boy, let's go. Who did that to me? Oh, what? Oh, he's low. Damn. I just did 1 kill, that wasn't enough. But next time I'll improve. Let's go. Here we go. I'm just level 2. That is so bad. Kill them all. Make them suffer. Cheat. Oh. Oh my god. Okay. Yeah. Look. Just point the gun down. What the? Okay, you know what? What? 10th is such a bad place. I just did 2 kills, that's not enough. That's definitely not enough. Oh my god. Okay. We're going Arsenal. Push the play. Okay. Oh no. Oh no, it's broken. Oh no. Oh my god. Who did this to me? How can a first aid kit just kill me? Oh my god. Okay guys, so I'm gonna be showing you my trusty musty AFK. Okay, so this is actually really easy to make. Okay, so let me wait for an available server for build a boat for treasure. Here we go, 4-in-1. I put on the pink team because I hate the colour pink. Yes, I'm on the black team. AFK, load. Here's my AFK. This AFK is the best. Believe me. Okay. First of all, you would like to unanchor. Can you see like I've done? And then go to this driver's seat next to these pushers. You press the forward button and they go. And then can you see the jet in front of the pink block? The plastic block. You turn the jet on and then you anchor the pink block and then you scale it. Oh my god. You scale it there. But quickly. Because we don't know when it will finish. Here we go. Oh my. So this is what it's meant to be. Something's wrong with the spring, I don't know. It's just something really like, oh my, that's sick. And then you drive this. Oh no, it's broken. Let me go. Why wouldn't this go? Why are my jets not working? Oh my. Here we go, guys. And now, let's test this out. Oh no, it's broken. Look at me. Look at me, guys. Wait. Look. I'm not on my iPad. Look. I'm not controlling anything. Now just relax. And it does it all for me. I go in a portal. And I just go out here. Here we go. And for now, guys, remember, before I finish the video, remember, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, And now, bye bye.